1 country,
10 provinces,
and 72 tribes.
We are going on the road
and spreading that goodness.
Hi, I'm Lulu.
Hi, I'm William.
And we are
The Wood Kitchen. This week on the road.
I used to climb trees.
Did you?
In my past life.
This side then.
Huh? I know. I'm heavy, Mawe. Okay. Oh my God. I'm scared of heights. I'm scared of heights.
destination,
Mwela Rocks.
location,
Kasama, Northern Province.
distance.
862, about 12-hour drive from Lusaka.
Hey guys. We're in Manson right now. Need to stock up in ShopRite, get some of that Rhodes quality goodness as we go on the road.
I don't have a mask. I didn't know Corona reached Manson.
Mrefu ya white. Kaburangeti.
What's the name of this one?
Our trip kicked off with a little stopover in Kasama Central at Mumana Lupando for some locally grown kablangeti and nakapuma beans, as well as quick tips for how we can prepare this goodness.
Muleipika shani.
Kuipika wanguchila ngumana ifi beans ukuipika kusamfya mwabika mumenshi yambo kupa mwabika mwana salad mwabika nomba na pamba bula
So not poached overnight kuibika mmenshi.
kubika mumenshi ya bula kula atalala
atalala
awe usamfya kubika mmenshi ile
What's 70 times 10? What's 70 times 10? Nampela ko juice. Mweko juice. Tule bomba na Rhodes quality. So nampela juice because she... I didn't buy from you, so I feel bad. So nampela. And then naka spicy. Spice in the beans.
So we are what? 50 k's out of Kasama?
Yeah,
literally.
And we just found some kablangeti beans.
Kablangeti beans.
Kablangeti beans.
And also a lot of groundnuts as
yeah, groundnuts, white beans. So we're so excited to get back home and try
We're
out.
We're going to spoil them rotten back home.
Yep. And I just love to see like some of the women that are selling here actually are the ones that grew their own beans.
Exactly.
So this is so cool. We've been seeing some have shelled beans, some have unshelled beans. You're seeing kids on the road like selling these beans.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's like we always say, on the road you just get to see so much.
Yeah, true. So if any of you guys are actually coming out to Kasama itself, there's, I'm going to call it Matthew's Only God Knows. When you see that sign,
stop and buy some beans. Let's support our local
Support your local
farmers.
team.
Yeah.
Bye to the ladies. Bye. Ooh, look what I got, darling.
Oh, baby. Much needed.
And of course, we couldn't go to Kasama without stopping over for a cup of that rich Kasama coffee.
Let me help you with that. And you get to have your coffee.
Yes, I do. Ooh, yes. So today we're dealing with beans, yeah?
Yeah.
Before, with the ladies.
Yeah.
Now we're dealing with what?
Now we're dealing with coffee beans.
Exactly. And to be precise, it's the Kasama coffee.
Kasama coffee. We're out here in Kasama, in Kasama land. Yeah, we're in Northern Province now. I don't know much about it, but I hear it's like going to be really, really exciting.
It's going to be awesome. So we're going to Mwela
Rocks.
Yes.
I hear it's like really an iconic site, and you know, in Southern Africa. So I can't wait to hear from a special lady that we're going to be meeting, who's going to be with us for the next part of our trip.
Lots of rock paintings and the like. So I can't wait to see that.
Yeah, and we're going to cook up a storm.
Yes.
Okay, not a storm. We'll make a...
Snack, huh?
Yeah, we're just going to make her a snack.
Yeah.
Because she's been traveling the northern circuit, so this is going to be good.
And this person is very brave, huh?
Dude, she's the bravest person I know.
Wow. But more about that after
Our coffee. Let's have coffee, baby.
What?
And a chicken pie. I'm
Yes.
just going in with my hands. I'm so, like, guys, sorry.
Look at that. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for this beautiful cassava coffee. Let's have a taste of this pie.
It's really good.
That's nice.
It's really nice. It's got actual chicken in there. Have you guys gone to like a place and then there's like 2 pieces of chicken in the whole pie? This is not that pie.
And it's fully loaded, huh?
All right, we're gonna eat up quickly and get back on the road.
Exactly.
Honda, man.
And then it was time to meet up the adventurous Petra Chikasa, aka Girl Can Wonder, and to conquer my fear of heights at Mwela Rocks.
Petra, we're so excited to finally be with you. You've been on a journey.
Yes, I have.
Like short version of what you've just been up to.
Let's see. So I traveled from Lusaka to Nakonde, and then from Nakonde to Mpulungu, Lake Tanganyika, and then from Lake Tanganyika to Kasama. Yeah, today.
Hitchhiking.
Yes.
Okay, let's start walking
She's very brave.
because you're brave. Tell us a bit more about Mwela Rocks.
So I came here for the first time in 2019, I think, around this time in 2019, and I didn't know about it. I went to Chishimba Falls. I was camping there. Well, actually, I was doing the Northern Circuit. And while I was at Chishimba Falls, inside the Chishimba Falls, there's like an activity center where you can see different heritage sites that are in the area. And I saw that Mwela Rocks was actually in Kasama. So I decided to come and check it out since I'm here, might as well. And then I came here and it was just one of the most incredible things I've seen. It just stretches over such a long distance. There's so much rock art. I think the guy mentioned that there was 1,728. And actually, this rock art site is one of the most recognized in Southern Africa.
Oh, really?
The only reason that people don't really know about it is because some of the paintings have like washed off because of the rain and people vandalizing and all that stuff.
Fun fact, Mwela Rocks is a National Heritage Site that has the highest concentration of rock art in the Southern African sub-region. Did you know that? And that's the thing, I didn't even know about this place, to be honest. We need to do more, I suppose.
Yeah, so did you know about this place from GCW blog?
We actually, yes, it's all through you.
Okay.
We're really, we've been watching where you go, what you do. We sort of think you're slightly crazy, but we love you.
Well,
but we love that we learned so much about our country from you.
that's really good to hear. That's actually my main goal with GCW. That's all I want to do. I want more people to be interested in seeing the country. I want more people to travel. Obviously, they don't have to bum it out the way I do.
Yeah.
But as long as people are seeing the country, it doesn't really matter to me how they do it. I'm happy.
Oh wait, I see that. Those are paintings there, right?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he's like they're going up.
Yep.
Okay,
We are doing this.
honey, you're gonna be okay?
I hope so, my darling.
Honey, you're not. You haven't exercised in a while, you know. Hi, Bo.
And then,
William, careful, dude. Wait.
Now coming down will be a buzz.
Wait.
I
Honey.
don't think I'll manage.
Yeah, it's okay. You're fine right there, love.
Oh, wow.
You did it, honey. You did it.
Do you see how quickly he scaled this thing?
Yes.
So like the man was explaining about the paintings which you have in Mwela. So the paintings which you have about 1,728 paintings. So we only have two types of paintings, naturalists and schematic. These naturalistic type of paintings, maybe understand you can differentiate between naturalistic and schematic. Naturalistic is something you can able to understand. The depiction of an animal, something like a snake, things which you can able to understand. Those are naturalistic type of paintings. The other name is lady animal tradition. Why we are saying lady animal tradition? Because those guys, they were using blood, the triceps, egg yolk, egg soil, also the fat of them. They mix up, come up with one. So these paintings we have for the three generations: the early Stone Age, the Middle Stone, and the Later Stone Age. So some of the paintings we are talking about 10,000 years ago. Some of the paintings we are talking about 8 to 6,000 years ago. Some of the paintings are 6 and 4,000 years ago. It depends with the period itself, the generation. So sometimes you find that there are 12 people who come with the paintings, which is the last age. The other one is the Middle Stone Age. They call it Koi people. So those people, they are the one who have come up with this painting.
Oh, okay.
Koi koi.
Like the gods must be crazy people.
If you haven't watched The Gods Must Be Crazy, now is a good time. Well, right after this episode at least.
That is the difference.
Are there any snakes up there? You sure? Okay. Just check.
Oh wow, you can see that.
Oh, I see animals.
Yeah,
I see that.
yeah. Got it? Come,
Okay.
again. I got you. Come. Kajim.
Yeah. Come. Let's do this.
Let me scoot this way.
I literally need. I
I'll
wish
come
the
around,
drinks
don't
were
worry.
here.
Yeah. Cool. Ooh, careful.
Sorry. Okay.
That's all right.
We're good. Okay. I see this.
Wow.
So there are three animals here. So these are depiction of a bush pig, an anthrope. These are two anthropes. Now, if you have seen this picture, and even the color itself, this one looks like it's fade out. There is only two different of hedges.
All right.
So, like for the first one, we started from that side, the pictures looks clear. The reason those are for the 12 people. Yes, this is for the Middle Stone Age. So the painting itself can tell you which generation. You find that sometimes a minimal picture, sometimes a big one, and a small one like this one. So these are naturalist type of painting.
You know the Middle Age was about at least 25,000 years ago.
What?
Yep, that long ago.
Something which is a parallel lines, concentric circles, those are schematic type of paintings.
Okay.
So the 1,728 paintings which we have, they are naturalist and schematic. So we can go to another panel. The only difference we find is just the size of the picture. Sure.
Wow, this is really
This is
cool.
amazing.
Do you guys see this? I hope you see this. This is really, really cool. I hadn't noticed this one. I saw the two from afar. But it's interesting that you even know like what it is.
And most of the things, I was expecting the question from you, why these paintings are facing here. There's also a canopy.
Oh, yes.
Those
So
guys,
which
they
means-
also understand about the sun. When the sun is coming from this side, there are a lot of
Talk about ancient civilization ingenuity.
but to destroy the painting. So that's why you find that every painting, it is facing this side. You find it's supposed to be a shade covering to the paintings. But the only things now destroying the paintings is because of the protection itself. The lane is coming now, starting coming here. These are just the lane. This is the thing, the dangerous which we have the moment, which can be destroy the paintings. But otherwise, from the sun, from what, there's nothing like that.
Don't you find snakes in there?
Really, Lulu? Again with the snakes?
Darling, I think you underestimate my fear of snakes, like
No,
really.
just understand my language. We have snakes.
Oh,
A lot of them.
no, I thought he meant.
But the thing is that you can't able to find the snake where you are passing. No.
True.
Have you encountered snakes? Okay. Because we bought like snake repellent. Or like Petra goes into the deep. He's like, I bought snake repellent.
Guys.
I mean, we're that scared of snakes.
it's so
That's so
crazy, yeah.
beautiful.
That we're sitting where Khoikhoi people came through, yeah? It's
In the Middle
amazing.
Ages.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Crazy. Do you get a lot of Zambians, local Zambians coming to visit these sites?
Sure.
Yeah.
You do? But do you think there can be more?
Yes, if you advertise more, people are going to start coming.
Well, today that's what we're trying to do.
So what we need is just advertisement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you heard it.
Say no more.
Say no more. The Wood Kitchen decided to do this special.
We needed to promote our tourism.
Yes.
That's true.
Honey,
Huh?
he's taking us to the perfect viewpoint.
To the vantage viewpoint.
Yes.
I'm the king of the world!
Bring, let me.
You won't manage because you can't.
I was going to papa it like a baby.
Oh.
Yes, you can.
You want me to help you?
Mr. Trevor does this every day, so he's saying there's no problem here. Don't worry.
Let me hold you.
You'll be used.
Okay.
That's why I said, let me hold
Okay,
your hand.
wait.
Just go back down.
Let me push up.
Go back down.
Okay. Ouch.
Here,
How will I do it
hold
though?
my hand.
Okay, guys, the struggle was real, Appa.
I hope there are no more places like this. I'm scared of
And
heights.
then Petra went on and made it seem so easy.
Do this. What? Got it? Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
So we go like this.
Jesus Christ.
Meanwhile, I had to say a little prayer. Okay, maybe a lot of prayers.
I don't know how I'll get down. No.
Going down is not a problem.
No. Jesus. Okay.
Oh,
let's
this
go.
is beautiful.
It is.
This is fine. I'm not even touching the logo. I've used it. But do not rock down. Just focus.
Okay,
Just
let's
focus
go.
on going up.
How much further?
Have you seen?
Okay, listen. No. Everyone pass me.
Look, they're literally at the top. You made it all the way. You might as well finish
Like
it.
this. Have you seen?
Just don't look down and keep your body slanted to the left.
Yeah.
Body to the rocks.
There we go.
Come help
Just
me.
one more step. One more step. There we go. You're doing it. Well done.
Sorry, guys. I'm
Well
scared
done.
of
Well
heights.
done.
Try.
You've got it.
Try. No, don't go. Give me your hand. Now.
But after a little pep talk,
You made
Mama,
it.
I made it!
Oh my God. This is it. This is it.
This now we can able to understand how the heritage is. This is a viewpoint.
Well done.
So this viewpoint, even those guys, they were able to use the same viewpoint in able to see the animals around there.
Uh-huh.
So we call this the viewpoint. So if you have seen, so the boundary here is this one.
Yeah.
Even to that side there.
Yeah. 100
We
Ks.
go like this. So after this, the houses, where there is those four like the pylon.
Yeah.
It's inside. That is Sumina.
All Sumina.
Yes. So it goes like this.
Wow. Stand back. You got it. Well done. You made it.
Okay, just one. Just
You see, that's the road where we came from. That side. So what you're saying is that it was worth the climb, right?
I mean, after I got over the fact that I didn't die trying to get up that last rock, it was breathtakingly beautiful. Definitely worth experiencing at least once in your life.
Great. So what you're saying is that you're ready to go back there again?
Honey, I think you're being a bit too ambitious right now. I barely made it back alive. Hey, Bo.
Petra, come sit next to us.
Where do I sit?
Anywhere you want, honey.
This is my cup. I'll give you this cup.
Whichever.
Okay.
Is it
Oh, that's you.
Yeah,
This
that's you.
That's Lee.
Oh, this is me. Sorry.
I licked the cup. You know, they're
Welcome
hearing,
to the madness.
they're hearing you. Huh?
Okay, so to Petra, founder of GCW. We are so happy we're here. The wood kitchen couldn't get on the road without you. So cheers to you and your amazing business. Woo-hoo!
We hope you enjoyed that adventure.
Tune in next week to find out where the road will take us as
We keep on spreading that goodness.